Hello YouTube, back tonight with another earthquake update. It just came in moments ago. There's been a 3.0 magnitude earthquake in Tennessee. It occurred at 1927 hours local time, and it occurred 3 miles northeast of Caruthersville, Missouri. If I mispronounce a city's name, please forgive me. I don't do this on purpose. Or 17 miles northwest of Dyersburg, Tennessee, 24 miles east of Kenneth, Missouri, or 27 miles northeast of Blytheville, Arkansas. So we had a 3.0. It occurred at a depth of 7 kilometers. Thank you for stopping by. And as always, God bless.